What's up, guys? Welcome back to Healthy Recipe. We're going to be making a delicious chickpea curry today. It's going to be vegan. It's going to be very spicy and delicious. So let's get right to work. Okay, so let's go over our ingredients really quick. Like I said, this is a fully vegan meal. We have 2 diced Roma tomatoes. I have 2 large jalapenos that I minced. If you guys don't like heat, you don't have to use jalapenos. You can use bell peppers just for that flavor. I like stuff pretty spicy. This is 1 can of chickpeas drained and washed. This is actually 16 ounces of chickpeas. I have about 2 tablespoons of minced garlic and about a tablespoon of minced ginger. 1 medium size or 1 cup of red onion minced, diced. I'm using peanut oil to cook with. About a 1/4 cup of minced coriander or cilantro. 1/2 cup of coconut milk. 1 large carrot. About a teaspoon, a 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. Sea salt. I'm using Jamaican style curry powder. You could use this, or you could use regular curry powder, however you like. And that's basically all of our ingredients. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to our cast iron and we're gonna start sauteing the aromatics. Okay, so I'm gonna take about a tablespoon of peanut oil, put that in our cast iron skillet. You can use a regular pan, doesn't have to be a cast iron skillet, any pan will work. Alright, now I'm going to go in with our garlic and ginger first. Once the oil is hot, let's check it. Yep, so sizzling. I'm going to go ahead and drop our aromatics. Now we're going to drop our our onion. And we're just gonna stir it, put it down to medium-high heat, just to get it nice and fragrant. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and drop our tomatoes. And a lot of people use tomato puree for this. I'd rather use natural tomatoes. They'll break down and they'll make to the sauce, make it a little bit more liquid. But you can use tomato paste if you like, or tomato puree. Tomato sauce also a little bit. I just rather use everything natural if possible. Gonna cook down the tomatoes, kind of stew them. To make a nice, kind of like a sauce. Now we're gonna go ahead with our carrots. I'm going to cook this for about 5 to 7 minutes to soften the carrots up, and then we're going to add more ingredients. Okay, so it's been about 5 to 7 minutes, probably about 6 minutes, and basically our carrots are soft. The tomatoes have stewed through. They actually become soft and become part of this sauce with the onions and everything else. So I'm going to go ahead and add my jalapenos. Gonna season with a little salt. About a 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. And this curry has cumin in it already. I just like my cumin a little bit stronger. It just depends on you guys. You might not need it. You just might need a good curry powder. So I'm adding about a half a tablespoon or so of curry powder. Stir that in nice. I'm getting all those aromas together now. Now we're going to go ahead and add our coconut milk in. I'm going to bring it all together, kind of like as the binder, the base. And I get this beautiful golden color. Now we're going to add in our chickpeas. Look at all that beautiful color. Alright. And here, I'm actually going to give it the first taste. So I'm going to taste it for seasoning the first time here, and then I will season again a second time. So this is basically my first tasting of the ingredients mixed together, see if it needs anything. This is actually pretty much perfect. I'm going to add just a little bit of salt. And I'm going to bring the heat down to medium low, about 195. Medium low. Just cook it for another couple of minutes, and then we'll be ready to drop our coriander and serve it. Okay, so it's been a couple of minutes. I let it go at 195. I'm gonna mix it really nice. It's really come together beautifully. Look at that. I mean, it's just perfect. It's not too thin. The curry, the sauce is actually nice and thick. It's beautiful. Beautiful color. The aroma is amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and serve it, and actually throw the coriander in. Fresh cilantro or coriander, whichever name you call it. And I'm gonna mix it. Mix that beautiful, delicious green herb in there. And now we are ready to serve. You can certainly add hot sauce here if you like to make it a little spicier. Cayenne pepper, anything you like. Hot paprika will go beautiful in here. There it is. Go ahead and serve. Okay, so here is the finished dish of our beautiful chickpea curry. It is delicious smelling. It has amazing color. It was super easy. You guys saw me make it. The consistency of it is really good. The curry sauce is actually like thick. It's not thin or runny. I mean, it just stuck really well to the vegetables. It came out amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it. And I'll see you really soon on the next. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and dive in and give this curry a try. Let you know how it came out. It smells amazing, really aromatic. Wow. The combination of flavor of that turmeric in the background with the spiciness of the curry seasoning and the jalapenos just tastes really, really good. It's really silky. The coconut milk adds like a silky texture to it. The carrots are cooked perfectly. They're tender. They're not mushy at all, but they're still a little bit crisp. The herbs, cilantro flavor puts it all together. Incredibly aromatic and super delicious.